In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format visuals in Power BI. Start by opening the Microsoft Power BI app on your desktop. Open one of your reports and click the visual you want to work with so it's selected. You'll see handles around it. On the right side, in the Visualizations pane, choose Format Visual. This reveals the formatting panel and changes update as you make them so you can see results right away. The panel has two main categories, Visual and General. Begin with Visual. This area controls settings specific to the chart. In the Y-axis and X-axis sections, adjust titles, font sizes, colors, and number formatting so labels are readable and consistent. Use Legend to position and style the legend so it supports the story without crowding the chart. Grid lines can be softened or turned off to reduce visual noise. Lighter lines usually keep focus on the data. For time-based visuals, the zoom slider helps you focus on a narrower range while keeping context. If you're using bars or columns, tweak bars to manage spacing and inner padding for a clean layout. Turn on data labels when you want exact values on the visual, and set display units and decimal places so labels are clear but not overwhelming. Switch to the General category for broader presentation settings. Properties controls the visual size and position on the canvas, plus inner padding that affects spacing inside the frame. Title lets you format the title text, alignment, and color, which helps establish a clear hierarchy on the page. Effects covers background, border, and shadow. Subtle backgrounds and thin borders can separate visuals without heavy lines. Data format helps keep numbers presented consistently across visuals, which improves comprehension. Header icons determine which action icons appear on hover, letting you streamline the viewer's experience. Tooltips add context on hover without cluttering the canvas and can be styled to match your report. Alt text is key for accessibility. Write a concise description that explains what the visual shows so screen readers can relay it effectively. That's the workflow. Select your visual, open Format Visual, fine-tune the visual options, then polish the overall look under General. Take your time to experiment and preview as you go so the result is clear, consistent, and on brand.